guys, Custom Mods here. So I had a little bit of issues with this drone. The FC is acting up and I just cannot trust the thing. The thing flies, but it has some room for improvement, but as you can see I got a bunch of prop carnage. So yeah, I'm going to be converting this drone to this FC board in here. There are two different FC boards, oddly enough, but yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that everything is looking good, and then we're going to go ahead and do this conversion. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and queue up the time lapse for this FC board conversion. Alright guys, so I've got everything all ready to go on this drone except for the camera, which I've got right here. And basically, I'm going to be mounting the camera up front, of course, on this drone. So yeah, overall, wrapping this project up, this project is more of a bust. I think the hype of the project being a camera drone for a GoPro kind of really made it cooler than it actually turned out. So for now, I just have the battery underneath and kind of the LEDs kind of in between all the landing legs and stuff. For some reason, this LED right here is not cooperating, just one. So yeah, everything else works though, hopefully. I was having some issues with like trims and stuff, but let's just hope that doesn't happen anymore. So yeah, let's go ahead and enjoy some of this flight footage. Alright guys, so now for some flight footage. The workshop's kind of littered with random stuff, so hopefully I'll be able to actually get it up in the air. But yeah, it's pretty dark out right now. Yeah, so the thing is, it's really unresponsive in the way that it's drifting, so the yaw rate is really slow. I'm actually kind of scared about this thing. Like, honestly, I'm going to have to do some more research into this. All I know is that this is a flip button right here, and yeah, I don't have the camera hooked up, but I'm pretty scared to fly this thing. Like, it literally just went out of frame and crashed. So yeah, I'm going to have to leave it at that for this video. Stay tuned for some more videos coming up about it. It's kind of subpar to what I was expecting. But yeah, so hopefully this should be really cool, especially when I get the FPV camera on, taking it out to the park and even seeing if it'll remotely fly. So yeah, a little bit of a flop here, but definitely, this is apparently a $250 drone, so definitely a good steal for 30 bucks, and I got a bunch of cool parts. So I'm not really complaining, but it is a little bit not quite what I expected. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.